Can't fight the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't wanna make it real. You got me in my feelings. Can't fight the way I feel. You got me in my feelings. Don't.
What's for Bunny Logan here? NFT Tiger is back with another brand new platform. So, guys, today we're going to be diving down into a very unique and amazing platform named Digger AI. So, if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos notification. And let me clear that it's not a financial advice. So, do it with your own. Study this platform, take your time, and if you can generate best return by using Digger AI. So, it's a perfect opportunity for you. So once again, I'm requesting to all subscribing investor community, please don't miss to join their links because it's very important to join their links. When you join the links, you will become the member of the community and you will be updated with upcoming news regarding this platform. So without wasting our time, let's discuss about Digger token. So unlock the power of Digger AI tools for Solana and Ethereum. So how basically you can buy that and what kind of potential this platform has. So each and everything we will discuss further. You can see here the Digger AI ecosystem and discover the ultimate AI powered ecosystem offering tools, help and see the opportunities while minimizing risk and minimize your profits with smart analytics and real-time signal and accurate predictions. So it provides you a plenty of benefits if you jumped in because it's providing you a secure and profitable signal, also AI powered by ecosystem. Next you can see here the advanced AI model and next continuous learning, so you can learn a bit also, and it has very vast experience in the platform. Next you can see here the accessible to everyone can use this platform. AI bot is designed for everyone from beginner to expert and making it simple and easy to navigate the crypto world. Next you can see here the fine turn for the month and build the last. So each and everything is available under a single platform, so it's a perfect opportunity for you. So next you can see here the information about $dig AI. So you can see here the $dig ecosystem utility token power you to become an advanced user. The token is required to access to all ecosystem features. So you can see here the LP burn. So let's see the percentages. It's very important to understand about that. You can see here the LP burn and next tax 0 and 1 billion supply wallet. You can see here they block. Next contact address is available. You can copy the address and jump in and you can buy that. So you can visit on the DAX screener. So we will check it out on DAX screener. So hold on a bit. It will take a bit time to open and I will show you all the information regarding that because it's my responsibility to provide you all the detail regarding that. And if there is something missing, so please don't miss to join me in the comment section. I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding that. So here we go. We'll complete the verification and after that it will be open and I will share with you all the information, guys. So I was discussing with the project owner and in the team who's backing up this platform. It looks to me they have a very strong potential and experience behind that. That's why I decided to introduce this platform in front of my community. So hope so you briefly understand about that and get more details about that. So let it open. We will discuss further about that. Okay, next you can see here how Digger AI reaction bot works. So it's a key factor basically how it works. You can see here buy $dig AI and hold $digger to access all ecosystem features. Second, you can see connect your Telegram and connect to the Telegram and the reaction both using your platform and wallet. Next, you wait Digger AI signals and stay tuned to the Digger AI signal and make your profits. So it provides you help to generate the best profit also. And next, how basically you can buy $dig AI. So you can buy that also, and we will watch that how basically you can buy that. So here's the details given, guys, so you can easily buy. And where it's basically listing, so we will verify each and everything, and if the exchanges are perfect where it's listing, so it's better, and we can verify each and everything. At the moment the current price, we can see here, you can see here at the moment the current price, and you can see all the information. You can buy via sold, and suppose if you have how much soul you have. If you have 2 soul, so how much you can buy. So it's a perfect opportunity to buy now. and you can easily buy that. So you need Sol to buy that. You have to connect your wallet, and after connecting your wallet, you can easily buy the Digi. So it's so simple. Okay, next, if you scroll down a bit, so you can see there are plenty of tools are available. Next, you can see here the DAX listing board and NT. You can see here the manipulation board. Next, you can see the detection board and OG board and DAX cleaner board. So I already told you that there are plenty of benefits are available on the single platform. So it's a perfect opportunity to jump right now and how to access to the AI. Next, you can see what the direction board. So how basically it works. So each and everything is mentioned. The performance over 200 signal analyzed, and average performance up to at 294%. Next, you can see the median 110%, and detector crypto with the market caps from 60K to 100 million. So it's a huge. And next, you can see 3 to 10 signals a day. They're providing you 3 to 10 signals. I think it's enough for a trader or crypto lover. Next, you can see here you must hold the digger to access to the digger AI features. Next, you can see tier 1, tier 2, tier 3, and next tier 4. So all options and each and everything is available. And it's very important to study each and everything, which one you want to buy. It's up to you, and all benefits, features, and the potential of is available in front of your face, and you can get more knowledge regarding that. And launch and adoption strategy, you can see here the define the problem, and if you have any issue, so you can see here the roadmap, what they want to do in the future, and the capability and the potential of this platform will be there when you study the roadmap. In the end, guys, if you have any question and query, you can see here, you can click and you can get the answer of your question at the same time by clicking on that, what basically Digger is. So when you click on that, you can get the answer of your question at the same time. So next, if you scroll down a bit, you can see here the Twitter and documents. You can study the documents. I will post all the links in description. If you have any question and query, you can approach me in the comment section. So I will be there always to provide you all the detail regarding that. And if there's something, any issue, you can approach the team. And there is only one solution to join their community. When you join their community, you will be able to get more information because lots of discussion will be going on. You will see. So hope so you will be satisfied to see all the discussion and each and everything. So we'll man our next video, guys. Till then, bye bye.